The system menu of all modules offer the same basic functions. This video will review the options available on the system menu. Index files maintain pointers to records in the database files used by the programs. The index files are separate files but are associated with a particular data file. It is possible for index files to become corrupt if the data file is open when there is an abnormal termination of the program. An abnormal termination of the program could be caused by things such as a loss of power, voltage spikes, network errors, program errors, conflicting software, and a number of other reasons. The index files can be rebuilt using the first option on the system menu. This option should be run when users do not have the data files open. If you run this option and get an error, additional steps may need to be taken to repair the actual data files. If there are no errors during the procedure, your data files are okay. This procedure creates the index files and also packs or permanently deletes records that are flagged for deletion, the data files. You may choose to run this menu option on occasion just to be sure your index files and data files are in good shape. The System Variables form is also found on every system menu. This form allows you to customize your program based on your individual needs. The System Variables form in each module will offer different options based on the program. All System Variables forms have some variables in common. Your company name and address is always found on the System Variables form. The data location can also be selected on this form. The data location is the folder on your computer or server that contains the data files used by the program. This folder should be selected when you begin using your software. You can navigate to the folder by clicking on the Select Directory button. When you confirm your changes, the folder you have selected will be displayed on the System Variables form. It is this folder that needs to be backed up on a daily basis. The initial window size can be set to maximized or normal. This option will determine the size of your data entry forms. If you'd like the data in your files to contain all capital letters, you can select Yes on the Cap Locks On option. This will cause your cap locks to be on whenever your cursor is in a character field on a data entry form. The other options on the System Variables form will pertain specifically to the module you are using. Click Confirm to save your changes to the System Variables form. Every system menu has the option Export Tables to Excel. This menu option will allow you to select any data file used by the program and export it to Excel. When you select the menu option, the last file you have exported will be displayed on the selection form. You can navigate to a new data file by clicking on the Select Table to Export button. Click Continue to create the Excel file. Scan and Repair Data Files is another standard system menu option. This option will attempt to repair any damaged data file in the data folder you have selected on the System Variables form. A report of all data files will be displayed with detailed notes regarding any repair that was made. A listing of every data file used by this program or any other PGS module and a description of the data file can be obtained by selecting the option Print List of PGS Tables from the system menu. Select All or choose the program to be included on the report selection screen. The report can be sent to the screen, printer, a PDF file, or an Excel spreadsheet. An alphabetic listing of all the data files, or the data files for the module you selected, will be created. The report contains a description of the data file and will also tell you which PGS modules access the file. The last menu option on every system menu is Run System Update. This menu option should be run when you install an update to your software. The update may be downloaded from the Downloads page of our website, or you may receive the update in the mail. The Run System Update procedure will update the data files in your data folder with the most current data file structures. This menu option only needs to be run after installing an update. If the same module is being run on multiple computers and the systems are using the same data folder, the menu option only needs to be run one time.